Okay. So this unit is all about the testing methods, right? That are used to test different designs, or you can say different digital designs or boards or chips. Okay, different assets, memories that you manufactured by using VLSI technology. So any hardware that we are going to design, after that we have to check its functionality. बरोबर आहे. आपण एखादा हार्डवेअर जेव्हा मॅन्युफॅक्चर करतो, मग ते काही असू द्या, एखादा आयसी असू द्या, एखादा बोर्ड असू द्या, एखादी चिप असू द्या, राईट, व्हीएलएसआय चिप असू द्या, किंवा एखादा मेमरी, रॅम, रॉम, that all comes under the category of ASIC, or you can say chip. Okay, made up of different MOS and CMOS transistors and all that. But to check whether it is working properly or there is some fault with that, for that purpose you have to go for the testing of that particular target board or any IC or any chip, you can see. Okay, काही असू दे, बरोबर आहे. एखादं जेव्हा तुम्ही डिझाईन डेव्हलप करता, राईट, before going to the final production, right, you have to test that circuit, right, you have to what we can say, you have to check the functionality of that circuit. म्हणजे ज्यासाठी तुम्ही जे डिझाईन बनवलेलं आहे, बरोबर आहे, तर ते डिझाईन तसं वर्क करतंय का नाही हे तुम्हाला चेक करावं लागणार का नाही. मग त्यासाठी, किंवा त्याच्यात कुठले फॉल्ट्स आहेत का, व्हॉट यू कॅन से, एखादं गेट कुठलं फॉल्टी आहे का, किंवा आत जे तुम्ही आयसी बनवलेले आहेत त्याच्यात सगळे पाथ प्रॉपर ट्रेस झालेले आहेत का, और देर इज सम व्हॉट वी कॅन से शॉर्टिंग बिटवीन टू डिफरंट पाथ्स, बरोबर, हे सगळं चेक करावं लागतं. Otherwise, what will happen? Instead of checking, if you directly go for the manufacturing, and then you will realize that no, there is some fault with the IC, then the whole whatever the batch that you have produced or manufactured, it is of no use. It is simply waste. बरोबर आहे. मग कुठलंही डिझाईन असू द्या, आयसी मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग असू द्या, एखादा असिक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग असू द्या, एखादा बोर्ड बनवा, व्हीएलएसआय चिप बनवा, ओके, त्यासाठी टेस्टिंग हे गरजेचंच असतं. टेस्टिंग शिवाय यू कॅनॉट प्रोसीड फॉर द मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, बिकॉज व्हॉट यू वॉन्ट, ओके, दॅट सर्किट हॅज टू सर्व दॅट पर्पज. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल, जर का सपोज तुम्ही अँड गेट आयसी, you have manufactured the AND gate IC, then it should work as AND gate only, right? For some cases, or for certain cases, if it is not, if you are not getting the proper output, what is expected, then there is a fault. Barabar? That means your design somewhere went wrong. Then you have to again modify your design, again go for the testing, and then whenever you have satisfactory output, then and then only you can go for the manufacturing process. बरोबर आहे. जेव्हा डिझायर्ड आउटपुट तुम्हाला मिळतं तेव्हाच तुम्ही ते मॅन्युफॅक्चर करणार. का फक्त डिझाईन केलं आणि मॅन्युफॅक्चर केलं? नो, दॅट वोंट सर्व द पर्पज, राईट. बिफोर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग there should be a testing methods, there should be a testing terminologies that you should go for, right, before manufacturing any IC or any ASIC chip or any design. There should be some testing terminologies that you have to follow, right? So this unit will talk about that testing methods that are used for the different digital design. That may be a combinational one, that may be a sequential one, बरोबर आहे. Because there are different digital designs, some of them are based on the combinational logic, some of them are based on the sequential logic design. So in that regards, we have two different methods or two different classes of testing circuits also. For example, testing methods used for the combinational logic design, testing methods used for the sequential logic design. There is a difference, right? So in this unit, we are going to talk about the testing methods used for the sequential as well as combinational logic, right? Now, the one question that may come to your mind, what is need of testing? Already we have discussed this point, but what is need of testing? Okay, along with the, what we can say, we have studied why we are requiring or when we are requiring the testing. After design, there will be a testing and then there will be a manufacturing. But the now next question is why we require a testing or what is need of testing, right? So there are several reasons that you should go for the testing of logic circuits, right? There is no, for example, there is no certain fixed reasons. There are many reasons that you should go for the testing purpose or testing of the circuits. Now, what are that? So first thing is, when you have developed any circuit or design, very firstly, then it is necessary to verify that design, right? And how to verify this design, or what to, for what you have to verify that design? To check its functionality, right? You have to check whether the circuits that you have designed that meets your requirements, that meets the timing specifications that you are expecting, that meets the proper functioning, that also whatever you are expecting. बरोबर आहे? म्हणजे ज्या पर्पज साठी तुम्ही डिझाईन बनवलेलं आहे ते तसं काम करते का नाही हे चेक करण्यासाठी टेस्टिंग गरजेचं आहे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. व्हॉट इज सेकंड पॉइंट यू कॅन रेज अबाउट दिस? सो second point is, when you are going to manufacture that particular IC or particular board or particular chip in a bulk quantity, right, or in a multiple copies, when you suppose like say 1,000 or 10,000, 50,000 similar ICs that you are going to manufacture, then it is essential to test each and every copy to ensure the manufacturing, right? You have to test first design also. You have to test first design also. Whatever design you have, what we can say design, you have to check the, or you have to simulate that design also. No problem. Okay, simulation is good, but after manufacturing also you have to check that product. That is called as quality testing. That means whatever the manufactured piece, after manufacturing this, after manufacturing, whether it works properly or again there is some flaws, there are some flaws within that, so you have to check that part also. बरोबर आहे? म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही बल्क क्वांटिटी मध्ये आयसी किंवा बोर्ड किंवा चिप मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता, तुम्हाला प्रत्येक चिप टेस्ट करावी लागते. त्यासाठी पण टेस्टिंग गरजेचं आहे. बरोबर आहे? असं नाही की फक्त पहिला, what we can say, the first batch you have checked, then rest of the batch. No, because it's a manufacturing process and you never know when the fault may strike your process, right? Or any problem may arise and it will start creating the problem in manufacturing process. For that purpose, what care that you should take is, you have to check each and every unit or each and every single piece that whatever you have manufactured. This is the second purpose of testing. बरोबर आहे? म्हणजे पहिला पर्पज कुठला? तर डिझाईन प्रॉपर फंक्शन करते का नाही, बरोबर आहे? आउटपुट जे तुम्हाला एक्सपेक्टेड आहे ते देत आहे का नाही, ह्यासाठी तुम्हाला टेस्टिंग करणं गरजेचं आहे. ही पहिली गोष्ट. दुसरा पॉइंट असं सांगता येईल की जेव्हा तुम्ही बल्क क्वांटिटी मध्ये एखाद्या आयसीचं किंवा एखाद्या बोर्डचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करणार असाल, तर तो प्रत्येक बोर्ड, अ सिंगल युनिट दॅट यू नीड टू चेक, दॅट यू नीड टू व्हेरीफाय फॉर द फंक्शनॅलिटी. बरोबर आहे? केलंच पाहिजे ते. अदरवाइज व्हॉट विल हॅपन, if unfortunately if some problem strikes or problem hits your manufacturing process, and it will start creating some flaws in your design, then that whole production will be simply a waste for you. You cannot do for that. बरोबर आहे. एखादा आयसी तुम्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग केला आणि तो टेस्टच केला नाही आणि नंतर तुम्हाला कळलं की ते प्रॉपर फंक्शन होत नाही, तर ते काय परत त्याचं काय होऊ शकतं का? नो, इट्स सिम्पली अ वेस्ट. पैसे पैसे तर वाया गेले, वेळ वाया गेला आणि परत हाती काहीच आलं नाही. त्यासाठी प्रत्येक युनिट जे तुम्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चर करणार आहात किंवा मॅन्युफॅक्चर केल्यानंतर सुद्धा त्याची फंक्शनॅलिटी चेक केली पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे की ते व्हॉट एव्हर द मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड प्रोसेस, जेव्हा तो आयसी डिझाईन तयार झाला त्याच्यानंतर तो आयसी तसाच्या तसा वर्क किंवा त्या फंक्शनसाठी प्रॉपर वर्क करतोय का नाही हे सुद्धा बघणं गरजेचं आहे. अदरवाइज व्हॉट विल हॅपन इफ आफ्टर when you send to the some vendor or to the selling shop, after using, if you are started getting the feedbacks that no, its IC is not working properly, then what we can say, no one is going to tolerate this kind of what we can say the situation. बरोबर आहे. एखादा जर का तुम्ही दुकानातनं मोबाईल घेऊन आला आणि तुम्हाला घरी आल्यानंतर कळलं की मोबाईल चालतच नाहीये, काय होणार? You are going to, what we can say, but obviously you are going to return that piece and you are going to ask for the your money back, right? The same thing will happen with any design. मग ह्यासाठी मोबाईल कंपन्या काय काळजी घेतात? A single unit they have manufactured, they are first checking whether its battery is properly working, there is no crack in or there is no any temperament with that mobile, there is no any mic issue, there is no any battery issue. बरोबर आहे. हे सगळं ते चेक करतात प्रॉपर आणि मगच तो पीस पॅक करतात अँड देन दे आर सेंडिंग टू द वेंडर. बरोबर आहे. पण जर का तसाच न चेक करताच तुम्हाला पाठवला आणि तुम्हाला कळलं घरी आल्यावर की काय चालतच नाहीये, दॅट क्रिएट्स द प्रॉब्लेम. त्यासाठी पण टेस्ट करणं हे गरजेचं असतं वेन यू आर manufacturing something in a bulk quantity or in a multiple copies, right? This is the second point that you can raise. Now what about the next point, why we need testing? What we can add more in that? So whatever the circuits or whatever the boards, right, that we supposed to check, right? So we must have some standard testing methods or some standard testing methods to check that circuit. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखाद्या जर तुम्ही आयसी मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता इररेस्पेक्टिव्ह ऑफ इट्स फंक्शन, बट हाऊ टू चेक दॅट आयसी, right? There should be some standards or there should be some what we can say a unique method to test that particular circuit, right? And again also you have to observe the outputs, you have to compare that output with the expected output, and then you can say yes, the design is okay and now it is ready to go to the vendor, right? So this is all about the need of testing circuits, की बाबा टेस्टिंग का करायचं, तर त्याचे हे सगळे मुद्दे आहेत की बाबा फंक्शनॅलिटी चेक झाली पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे. बल्क क्वांटिटी मध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता तेव्हा you have to check each and every single unit before sending it to the vendor. Third one, for checking purpose, for checking the same kind of design or some what we can say ICs, chips, there should be some standard testing methods that you should develop and everyone should follow that, right? जसं की JTAG आहे, ह्या सगळ्या स्टँडर्ड मेथड्स आहेत, युनिव्हर्सल मेथड्स आहेत. बरोबर आहे. एखादा एफपीजीए जेव्हा मॅन्युफॅक्चर होतो, इट इज व्हेरीफाईड बाय युझिंग JTAG in India also, in outside India also. That is because that is the standard method. That JTAG has its own instruction set, own testing instruction set. JTAG port is provided, JTAG cable you have. हे युनिव्हर्सल स्टँडर्ड आहे. इथं ज्या पद्धतीने JTAG सर्किट किंवा JTAG वापरून सर्किट टेस्ट होतं, बाहेर सुद्धा सेम मेथड्स वापरल्या जातात तो आयसी किंवा ती चिप चेक करण्यासाठी. म्हणजे it's a standard. So third point, you can say there should be some standard techniques or standard methods that you should what we can say apply, or that you should incorporate in your testing methods or your testing department, right? So these are the different points that you can say about need of testing circuit. Okay, now again we will go to the next point, testing techniques. Okay, now we have discussed about the testing methods or need of testing, की बाबा पहिले टेस्टिंग का करायचं ते आपण पाहिलं. आता मग आपण त्याच्या पुढे जाणार आहोत की टेस्टिंगच्या मग ह्या मेथड्स कुठकुठल्या आहेत, राईट? की ओके, वी हॅव ऑलरेडी discussed that there are two types of designs available. Some of them are combinational one, some of them are sequential one. Now, based on that two categories, we have also two different testing methods, right? First one is to test combinational circuit. Second one is to test sequential circuit, right? So in that we have three methods for combinational circuit testing. Fault model is there, path sensitizing is there, and random test is there. Similarly, for the sequential circuit testing, we have three methods, right? Scan path test, you can go for scan path test, you can go for built-in self test, or the last one is for the what we can say the circuit or the more complex circuit, you can go for boundary scan test, or you can say JTAG. Boundary scan and JTAG is one and the same thing. Okay, so don't confuse between that. All of you clear with the discussion? समजलंय का? Need of testing, what are different testing methods available with us for the
Yes, sir.
combinational circuit, some of for the sequential circuit. समजलंय सगळ्यांना? Okay, fine. So today we will stop here. In next
Yes.
lecture, we will start discussion with the testing methods for the combinational circuit. Okay, we will discuss the fault model, then path sensitization, and the random test. Random test is kind of combination of the fault model and path sensitization, or you can go for any of them, or you can go for both of them also. That is the random test method. Okay, so this part we are going to discuss in next lecture. Today we will stop here. Okay, if you have any query related to whatever the points that we have discussed today, you can ask me right now, or we will stop here.